I'm about to make a salad. I already have my veggies chopped up. Now we're about to add them to my salad bowl. So much. That should be good. This salt, pepper, and garlic blend. Next, I'm going to put in a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Oh, that was a little bit too much, but yeah. Hey, baby. I don't want to put any more seasoning on there, so I'm going to put this lime on there. So if you're trying to decrease your salt intake, lime is the perfect way to go because it gives it that salty flavor. You know what? Now you pretty much can eat it like this now that you pretty much made your own dressing with the olive oil, the vinegar, and the salt and pepper garlic blend, and also the lime. But I'm gonna add in an avocado to make it more fulfilling. Now you're just gonna mix. Milo is over here getting into all kind of stuff now that you see I'm busy. And you're all done. Okay, baby.